Oh man.
People would love to see some more Timmy in a VR. I just really like this. We win one with a sledge, I'll be done. The sooner we do that, the sooner we win a tournament with this triple sledge, the sooner we can stop.
Well, we need you to lock in and follow our lead.
Who made you in charge? Excuse me, I'm in charge here. I'm the boss.
That means she do better than you in most rounds.
And that's because you two are defiant.
Okay, we need a movement leader. Who's being that?
Fine, I'll follow you.
It's these on you.
God damn it.
I'll
Ash.
follow any orders that aren't Timmy's.
Wow. Yeah, you'll follow any orders that aren't Timmy's. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, continue to give me money.
You know he's deaf.
Mwah. Nice shades.
There's a workaround around that, and I will find it.
No, there's not. No, there's not. No, there's not. That's the funny part. Is there's not.
Okay, then I'll give money to somebody else, and they can give that money to you instead.
No, that's not. No.
Me giving you money.
Yeah, okay, sure. I'll believe it when I see it. That's fine.
Now,
I have a sailor in my DMs.
No, you
I can
don't.
easily do this.
the powerhouses, and
Oh
finally,
god, that's
the
so
shock and
No,
bad.
you
awe.
don't.
Let's get into it.
I'll fight. I'll see it, Megaplex.
Alright, let's lock in.
Under
The
me.
darkness may have settled in
Alright.
here, but our contestants are just
Moink.
ramping up. They're keen to show our fans a little distraction.
Wow.
Give me the shit.
Unbolting ball one, it's the shock and awe.
Rush that one. It's full
Our
rush.
teams
This
have
one.
made their presence known as we put up
Oh my god, yeah, just go get him.
Where are we going? Oh shit.
I don't know.
We've been training for. Let's see
Rush
who
the person
truly
above.
stands
Is that one? One HP too. Sad. Jump down. Behind you.
Nice hit. Nice
out. What
hit.
just occurred?
Nice hit.
Somehow. Alright then.
Beautiful.
The overdogs are back in the
Beautiful.
arena, folks.
Beautiful hit.
Bye.
Oh, that was miscalculated.
Go out to the window. It'll be fine.
My fault.
Alright, so if B's there.
There we go.
It's still.
And it just fell down. Holy shit, they're coming for me. That's something big and
Oh
snore for them.
no. Oh boy. Well,
The shock and awe have commenced.
I'm
their catch-up.
burning.
Down floors.
One contestant is trying out how much damage those walls can take. Keep at it, I say.
I broke it down.
no.
Go.
A bit of virtual catastrophe for the overdogs. Team wiped.
They're caught chasing their own
I
tails.
think. Either that or this building's falling. That's aliens. My head.
Which one?
Oh.
The overdogs are back. Team respawn.
God, the noise these walls make makes it so hard to figure out if someone's coming or not. Oh, they're here! They're here! Rocket launcher!
I got the healer. I got the healer. He's going. He's going for the cash out box. He's going for the box.
Hey,
It's rocket time.
Yo. I should put mines on in hindsight.
Okay.
Oh, he's going for his teammates.
Yeah, he is. I'm up in 10, 11. Oh.
Oh, I guess not. I guess not.
Nice!
Damn.
Nice! Good job!
Teamwork for the Bulldogs.
And it was a team wipe.
And it was a
Very
team
nice.
wipe.
wait, that is?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, come get us.
He was the only one left. I thought he was going to revive his teammates, which would have been the smart thing to do, but you know.
But he
The
didn't.
high notes have amped up their volume.
Uh-oh.
As we've seen, not
Get ready.
People.
people that use heavies are not smart. Like us.
Oh, here.
A long-awaited return to the arena.
More! Break the walls!
Where did they go?
Cash out. They're on the cash out, too. Here we go.
Cash out completed by the...
I just saw them.
Over here.
Where they go?
A new vault. The ultimate omen of mayhem here at the
Oh, so we're about the
finals.
vaults, yeah.
Damn. They just turned the
Missed.
corner. They just turned the corner. It's not my fault.
The Overdogs got hold of a cash box.
This is so cool.
The high notes
It
have
really-
upped their pace.
The fact that we're constantly doing good with this
The
build
Overdogs
is
will need to
really
come back.
concerning to me.
It's hilarious. C. We'll be
We're
going for
halfway
C.
through the match, and I bet the sponsors are impressed with the play so far.
He said C.
The
Yes.
teams need to maintain their
Okay.
focus if they want to come out on top.
The high notes got the cash box. The Overdogs are
I dropped it.
Damn it, Itchy. Hurry up.
Ow. Ah. I threw it. I threw it. Oh, there's two of them on you.
I know. It doesn't matter.
The high notes have kicked off a cash out.
Yeah, they have a friend more. Two mines, if you already know.
Yeah, set mines on it. Oh, well. That's not gonna be effective against the flamethrower.
The shotgun will need to try again.
It's okay.
Team wiped.
That came right out of left
C
field.
would be have more time though.
Yeah, fuck that. I'll go for my revenge.
Yeah, go for revenge.
D is moving towards C. They have, yeah, these ones, we can actually steal it.
Yeah, we can pick C.
It's just that they're really on
Oh,
the
take it.
edge.
Take D. 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 Right now. Right now.
There's people on the roof.
I'll
can
shield.
shield.
I got it.
See what they can turn.
Cash out station. I'm really impressed
Fire
by that
back.
play from the shotgun.
I got it. I hit him.
One skilled play can change the game.
There he is behind you. Oh, shit.
All over the arena are contestants who do well to take a deep
I got him.
and focus on the
Damn it.
objectives.
But keep breathing, right, Scotty? Keep breathing.
Damn it.
There's no one.
It's okay. We've got one more round to try and do this.
The high notes seized another team's cash out.
We got one more
Is it?
round.
I don't think there's time.
No, we do. There's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Oh, wait, purple's not gonna have enough.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, purple's not. Oh, that's hilarious. All right. Yeah, we just have to stop them from
See,
getting the next
He
vault.
has like a second with much time.
Yeah, stop people from getting the
You
vault.
can try it.
Yeah, sure, go.
Cash out complete, and the high notes got richer. Payday for the powerhouses. Cash out complete.
Got one. Yay. Oh, there's another on me. Boink. Oh, I almost
this part
moinked
of
him.
our show.
But,
Who will get to the new
he's-
vault first?
He's fast. He's a slippery one.
We have to stop them from getting 5 or 6. I'm going to guard.
The overdogs will need
Oh no.
team wiped.
Scotty,
Coin.
Big fucking yikes.
heads and
Coin.
tails on that team.
Yeah.
60 seconds left. Our
Honestly,
contestants need to
I'm
pick it up
willing
a
to finish
notch.
for that one.
It's all about heart and determination now.
Unless we can stall him. Kind of our best option. Stall. Stall.
Behind you!
The overdogs just
Move, bitch!
Oh, they're really not liking me.
seconds left, June.
It's okay. They can't. Oh, don't get knocked out. Don't get knocked out. Don't get knocked out. Don't. Team, no, leave. Run. Run, 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 run.
They're opening
Get out.
the vault.
We'll lose 10%. Run. Just stay away. Stay away. Qualify for the next one. That's how this works.
Staying in tune was the key to victory for the high notes in this round. Will our other
That's
qualifiers
fine.
be able to keep up with their tempo?
And
should
congratulations
not have
to our
worked.
second advancing
It shouldn't
team,
work,
the
but it does.
Shockando.
But it does.
They just don't expect 3 full heavies just to
No,
rush.
they don't expect the building to leave. Round 2.
They're running melee, might as well run melee too.
Yep. Well, I mean, Sledgehammer is melee.
Exactly.
Yeah. We're on Smash. Bury.
And my Spotify broke.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. Back here. Okay.
My Twitter's so unhinged.
We're gonna take out more buildings. What?
Alright, so there's this question on Twitter says you have cereal but no milk. What are you using as a replacement? And the person I follow put Listerine. What? Fucking
no.
Listerine?
No, I don't want. No, no, that is cursed.
No, what else is?
Hydrate. I can hydrate. I'll drink water.
Hydrate with some Listerine.
Shut up. No. This is Xander.
I don't know, I'm not using my explosive. I don't know. I'm gonna switch up for a dome shield. Is there anything y'all are not using often?
Yeah. But the mines are okay. I'll start placing them. That's Xander.
Alright,
Yeah.
the
He's a
Kingfish, the
sable
Hideouts,
and a raccoon.
the socialites,
Hybrid.
and finally, the shock and awe. The arena's calling.
We could. I wonder if they've got construction outfits.
They probably might do.
The calm before the chaos is unmistakable as our contestants gear up to destroy the arena in the clear evening sky.
Damn.
There's somebody already up there. Take these,
The socialites
bitch.
are in the limelight, unlocking Vault 2.
Yeah, someone destroyed my bridge. No.
Our first
I broke the
elimination
turret,
of the
though.
match. Our teams are finally
He's
getting
up, though.
acquainted.
I hope the viewers
Oh,
are
behind
ready
me.
for a wild ride.
This ride is only going to get faster than
Oh, close.
Low. He was low.
Super low.
I destroyed the turret though, so it's
Multiple
not...
takedowns by a
Oh,
member
wait
of
a
the
minute. What's going on?
socialites. Will anyone stop
Oh, they're
this
just
whirlwind of
respawning, okay.
destruction?
Alright,
The
2
Kingfish grabbed
is
the
going
cash
for
box.
A. 2's not
Unless it hasn't been
fighting.
captured yet.
The hell?
What the fuck are they doing?
They're rezzing. They had a big fight too.
The shock and awe have responded.
Both of us had big fight. Okay.
No, I
Yeah.
was talking about orange. They were going to A and they just diverted.
B. Take out the building. Remove the structure of the building.
Terrible placement.
Did somebody say bone?
Oh, they're bringing it down.
Knocked out the box! Y'all knocked out the box!
Hooray! I guess my fucking thing was better timed than I thought.
I'm under attack! Oh, they just
They
kept
don't
shooting
get
me.
attacked.
The socialites are initiating a cash out.
Ah, they grabbed. They stopped the rush from the grab. It's
The
just you.
Kingfish are looking for a crown. They've started a cash out.
Wow, I don't know who's in here.
Use your mind. Can you...
I'm up in 7.
Ah,
5,
can you play?
4,
Oh, you can.
3, 2, 1.
Come to the door. Come to the door.
I'm on my
They're
way.
not for you. They have to fight.
Hee hee hee.
Hee hee hee.
Hee hee hee.
Hee hee hee.
Oh, everybody's just here. Okay.
Yeah, for some weird reason.
Bitch,
Yeah.
why did you come over here? You ain't get the fuck out, Molly.
I just blew him off of his perch. That was kind of rude, huh?
Oh shit! I did a turret. No.
Oh no.
Just
We've
gonna-
seen our first team wipe, and it's not pretty.
That cash out deal just got shut down.
We need you up first, kid.
First out.
Go, 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 go. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, that was close.
Bitch.
He tried to rocket my shield.
Get the fuck out of here.
Sorry for the gas.
That
There's
hurt.
one over here. Damn, she's low.
I missed. I missed again.
What a pain in the ass.
Popsicle.
What? Slut.
Mine's still here. There.
The hell?
Don't do it. Knock him out for the thunder.
The socialites take the upper hand.
It's too late. They can't steal it. Yeah, it's too late.
Some surprises
Oh, you got him!
as the shock
Dude! Oh, they died! Oh! Oh!
The shock and awe will need to come back
That
from
was
that
close.
wipeout.
That's 2 turrets
That'll
and
be
they
a shock
still
to their
panic.
system.
Yep.
Still lost.
Yeah, they still lost it. They still lost it because we're better.
A new vault just
Oh.
appeared. Let's see who grabs that
Yeah, he
cash.
speaks. But he's kind of wordy.
Half
I need to
time.
hydrate.
Don't touch that
I'm
dial.
posture check.
Things can change pretty quickly
I
around
might be
here.
colorblind.
No time to run and get snacks for you.
No, it's just the pink and salmon, or orange and salmon, extremely the same.
I can't believe
I'm like, orange is white, but they look orange right here.
I love
The
this.
socialites swooped
Okay,
up a cash box.
I'm gonna start picking on
Oh.
D.
Vault 3 is being unsealed by the
Oh.
Kingfish.
That's not good.
RPG away.
I'm on my way.
They're falling. On the vault.
It's okay.
RPG en route.
Nope, that didn't help.
Hey, stop. Oh. Okay.
Nope.
A little press.
Up.
Ah,
The
I was
socialites have
fucking
kicked
so
off a
close.
cash out.
Don't worry, I have an idea.
You have an idea?
Right?
That's scary.
Yoink and run. This is
There you
we're
go.
really exposed here. Our strength is in buildings.
The Kingfish may
Get
lure
to the
someone
buildings.
into stealing. They've started a cash out.
We have to run for either of them. Which one?
See,
Alright.
take the building down under them.
Risky with this amount of time, but yeah.
Crush it. Go, go, go. Go left or right.
Go to the edge or something.
Just pick a direction and start smashing.
A contestant is dishing out some destruction. Good riddance.
Smash.
I'm just so confused right now.
I bet.
One contestant seems to have lost themselves in an unstoppable destruction rage.
Here it comes.
Our contestants are basically printing
falling.
money in the arena today. Cash outs and promotions. A real treat for the viewers.
They might have to start adding extra zeros to the scoreboard.
Somewhat falling.
That was one big destruction session. Hope they feel a lot better after that.
There it goes.
There we go. Ah, I think that's gonna kill us. Can't.
Oh, there's no way. We have to get that.
What a pain in my ass.
They're right there.
There's mines on it. Do not touch.
Got one.
And there, it's ours. It's ours. Behind, beside you, it's ours. Kill that freaking blow. kill the bow user.
Your step. Things are about to get a bit lighter.
No, they can't do anything about it now. There we go.
Grabbing first place, it's the shock and awe.
Oh,
Raising a shield. A new vault in the arena. The ultimate
God,
moment of man
fast.
here at the finals.
RPG. I'm pointing.
Cash out complete, and the Kingfish reap the rewards.
Oh, they're running.
Yeah, they are. Oh, he swung around.
There's a new vault to fight for in the arena.
5,
Our
6,
contestants will need to stay
5,
focused
6.
out there.
Nah, don't worry about it.
Minute to go.
Don't worry about it.
Say
Punch
failure,
sticks.
Scotty. Who will seize the moment?
Oh yeah, time. We have don't
We don't
do
have
not
time.
touch it. Do not touch it. We can hold it.
I hit somebody with that. Oh shit. I
Don't
fell.
grab the ball.
The socialites are about to make a new friend. They're opening a vault. We still have 30 seconds remaining.
Actually, what the fuck am I doing? Bitch, get out.
Oh, it hurt her.
Hit a streak, eliminating opponents one by one.
Good.
Go to B. Go to B.
Run. Run,
Yeah,
run, run,
so
run, run.
Make sure they don't capture.
Oh, you can tag that. Tag that. Go on.
10 seconds
God.
left.
Don't get killed by diamond. Don't get killed by diamond.
RPG en route.
Oh, if diamond had gotten one kill, or yeah, then they would have gone above us. We should have probably tagged that box when we left it, because it would have counted down and it would have given us 1,000. That's okay. We won. Round 2. Round 2.
No, this is round 2.
Oh, this is round 3. Oh, okay. Oh god.
So they're sticking with medium, medium, and a heavy.
Oh god. Well, they know our strat, right?
It's the exact same place.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to start by destroying buildings. Let them go for the vault. We go for
Just shatter the boxes.
shatter. You just get to the boxes and bury
If
it.
they get to the other one, that's fine. We can just destroy that one after.
Yep. We'll go and get them. We're just gonna take care. We're just gonna shape this place the way we want, and they're gonna have to deal with it, and they won't be able to.
The destruction of world.
Here we go. The Kingfish versus the shock and awe. The arena has loaded. Buckle up.
Oh,
Alright.
right next to one.
Oh.
Here we go again.
Oh, excellent.
A
Okay,
reminder
take
to
the
our
building
viewers
out.
that our final rounds are slightly different. The first
What
team
building?
takes
What
20,000
building?
win. How's that sound, Scotty?
Well, it sounds like our fans are in for a real treat today, June. One of our contestants is simply not giving up destroying our arena. The Kingfish are uncorking Vault
They don't know
1.
where we are.
No, they don't.
Probably like wondering like, where are we? Oh, yeah, I feel like something we're defending.
Okay. B. Go to B.
After what seems like forever, our contestant there finally calms down. What a lovely display of destruction.
The whole building's just disappearing. There's gonna be nothing left.
Just aim back and fire a rocket.
Why is the... Oh, I was about to say, why is the box not moving?
Are they going to A?
A.
They're
Yeah,
going
they
to
are.
A? Oh, hide.
They sure
Hide.
are.
Don't let them see you. Alright, now intercept. Pursue.
There's two on the top.
Destruction.
The Kingfish have a
Cash out.
cash out in the works.
Kill, kill, kill.
Our contestants must be
Yes,
getting to know each
that's
other's
one.
strengths and weaknesses because we've got our first elimination.
We've got some trigger-happy contestants out there today.
It's just last one. Oh, they're resing.
Trigger
They
happy
defib.
but
They defib.
strategic, Scotty. It's a delicate balance.
I see him. Damn those turrets!
It's just the turret that are paying.
Oh, nice! Stop! Wait.
First team wipe and
That
the
last
crowd
one's still
goes
alive.
wild.
They coined.
Get eliminated by your own grenade. Oh, that's crazy. Oops.
Oops.
Do that.
It's okay. We'll go for this. Man.
No, wait.
Okay. There's...
No, they can afford to use coin.
There's a pillar right there that I want to blow up as we're going there, because I think it'll bring... it's too late.
The
it's
Shock and
still
Awe
ladder.
have returned to the arena.
Yep.
Falls in our way. I think using
Oh!
They're using the anti-grav.
Nice! Oh! No! No!
You stupid. Your turrets are saving you. If it weren't for your turrets, people would be fucking annihilated.
Yeah, I can't. That anti-grav was a great play.
That probably
I
shook
knew
them
I
up
should
a
have
bit.
switched to grenade launcher.
That anti-grav was very well placed. I'm very impressed by what they just did.
Now we
That
got
was
rid
Pressed by shit. I'm just pissed off.
that was smart. That was smart.
Oh, no, they're C now.
The Kingfish land the first cash out.
What's he looking like? We destroyed B.
We destroy B.
Think plan or no?
Let's see.
Alright.
It's rocket.
But second floor. But that floor. Take out that floor.
The Kingfish swooped up a cashbox. One contestant is really set to leave nothing but dust. What a display of animalistic rage.
Here they come.
Fine artists. They didn't make this great building.
They're coming here.
They,
I know.
Here they come. Oh, they are? What a pain.
It's okay.
They saw
Go.
our destruction and they decided to be, because they were right there.
Yeah, they were. They saw us. No, me. Tier 3. Tier 3.
Oh,
Well, that's okay. We can destroy this building too.
Cash out by our leading team, the
Uh,
Kingfish.
drop it
If they
2
maintain
floors,
control,
okay?
they'll land the
God, I
big
have a grenade,
catch.
rocket
A
launcher.
tournament victory.
I do too.
ouch.
there we go. I missed. Fire.
I got it. Now defend.
I got 2 of them. There's only one left.
They pulled it up. They pulled it up.
They pulled it up. Oh, they did.
There's only one left.
Shoot it.
I don't have a RPG.
We'll climb our way up.
No, we'll climb.
For that.
Yes, we'll climb the broken building. It's like always up. It's like the game.
There's still one left.
Oh
but
my
where the hell
god.
is he?
I don't
They're just gonna
know.
let their teammates coin, I guess, because what the fuck?
Why would you do that?
Oh, he's up there. I got him.
That shit's not gonna work, motherfuckers. Oh, here's one.
Yeah, you missed.
Got him. Get
There's
him.
one coming to the side. There's a fast little fuck face.
It's just that one. It's just that one. Be
Yes.
careful.
No! It wasn't just that
Misfortune
one.
for the shock and awe.
Oh, there's two. They're trying.
Get to it.
No way. No. No way. No way. Don't take it. No.
1, 2,
Please, please, please.
3.
It was so. Oh!
Kudos to the shock and awe. They just cashed it.
They couldn't get it. They couldn't get it in time. They couldn't get it in time. That's so funny. That's so funny. Yes. 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 So we have to win this now. No, it's destined. We have been destined to do this.
Take it all.
Unbolted vault 3. It's the shock and awe.
Stay on the. Oh, there they are. Kill. Oh,
Bitch! No, I wanna. Moink!
Another one. Get ready.
Yep.
That's heavy. That's the heavy.
I'm down.
Yep.
Poisoning?
Get the. Get.
Come on, let's go.
Go. Go. I don't believe this is working. Go. Get.
My dome shield.
Turret. Kill. Go. Take it to somewhere we've destroyed. Where have we destroyed?
C.
We've
C.
already destroyed most of C. It's right here.
Go to C. Yeah. Get.
Your dome shield's been helping. And your mesh shield combined.
Oh, it's lovely. It's so
Kingfish have
good.
recovered and
I'm so
respawned.
proud of us. Don't bring it down. Do not bring it down unless we need to.
How is it standing?
I don't know.
Let's just leave it like this.
Yeah,
It'll
leave it
be very
alone.
hard for them to get it. I'll throw some
Listen.
mines on it.
If.
Oh, it's still.
Wait.
Oh no.
Ready to detonate.
All right. I've got a C4 on it. I've got a C4
Oh, no.
on
Can't
it.
get up there. Wait,
Their
they don't have
anti-gravity
movement.
grenades surely
They only
sifting
have
it.
one. They only have one type of movement. Wait, what am I doing? I can get. Help!
The big man's shooting at me.
That's
Take
one.
the
Got
grenades.
one.
No, he's almost dead too.
Two.
It's gonna
Get me!
fall.
Get me!
No.
Get me! Just get me!
Oh no, I
Big
see
man's
him.
almost dead though.
Yeah. Nice. Place. Yes.
Yes.
That poison's hurt.
An awkward moment for the Kingfish. Team wiped.
That shouldn't have.
That's it.
Wait,
That's
is
it.
that
That's it. That's it.
That's it.
They still have a
That's it.
second. They still have 1 second.
No. I've got C4 on it. Buddy, pal of
I
mine.
have mines on it too.
It won't. If they try and do anything, I will blow it.
I have
Okay.
a dome shield. I'm gonna just stay up here.
Yeah.
Protect.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna go back here.
Things are heating up as we pass the halfway point of this match.
I'm gonna go
I'm
through
pretty
here.
sure we'll witness even more unforgettable moments.
There's no.
There's no way that they
Lucky,
can do
lucky,
anything.
lucky.
Just fire RPGs. Just fire the RPGs.
Just lock in. We got this. Take these grenades, bitch. Take these grenades. Oh shit. I blew up all mine. No.
Got two.
It's over. We got it.
Got two.
And now
Tournament. I can't believe it. I can't believe that worked. I can't believe that worked.
This work.
To the shock and awe
No.
from all of us.
No, it's they couldn't get to the second one.
Holy shit, I died a lot. I suck. Holy shit.
Chat. Chat.
How the fuck did this work? Oh my god. My eyes hurt. I haven't blinked in forever.
That was a very good round. That's going on YouTube. That shit's going on YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Hi,
Hello.
YouTube. I think I would like to start doing a series of 3 sledges in finals, and we just troll people. We just go for it, and we just have fun, and we win tournaments as 3 sledges. Yes.
And it's not even the that are doing the.
And we develop a strategy, and we find the right weak points on buildings, and we just strategically destroy the battlefield.
All we need is like C4s, pyromines, and explosive.
Yeah, the RPG I think is better than the pyromine because of the targeted destruction. I was able to use it. I used it on that second box. So what I did was I targeted a pillar, and it made the whole building fall forward onto the box. It was so good. It was physics at play.
No, wait, we should have used the winch claw. We could have just grabbed
The winch claw.
And should we end it here? Just leave it on a win.
Yeah,
This is
we're
good.
done. We're done.